Hi everyone, this is Tammy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing some more playing with the Creatable World Doll clothing and accessories that I received when I purchased a couple of them. Here's one of the Creatable World dolls that I purchased recently. He's in his skivvies though because these gals are going to try on his clothes. I already did this with the shoes, so I will try to remember to put a link. They call them iCards on YouTube, so if you look up in the corner, giving you the finger, if you look up in the corner there, I will try to remember to link that when I edit this video, and you can look and see what the shoe situation is. They're all over there, but I've already tried them all on. So now we're going to try on some of the clothes, and I have a fakey doll here with a typical movable jointed body. Some people call these azone bodies. This is not the extra small though. This is like the regular, I think they're called small size. And then we have Pineapple Princess, so she has a typical stock body, and then we have my customized doll Sorry, she's on a Licca body. So yeah, let's go ahead and get some dolls naked here. All right, we'll start with this girl who has no name as yet. I got her fairly recently. She's super cute. I got her from a vendor on AliExpress. And get out of there. So let's try on a t-shirt. I think the t-shirts are probably going to fit everybody. Now this doll has the biggest body out of all three of them. I don't want to take your hands off. Do I have to take your hands off? Ooh, come on. I'm too lazy. There we go. So I have a feeling if any of these clothes don't fit, it'll be on this girl. Now the t-shirts are probably going to fit pretty much everybody, but I think when we start looking at the pants, that's going to be an issue because the Creatable Boy or Creatable World dolls that can be boys or girls tend to have a fairly lean physique, as you could say. So, but yes, okay, here we've got this little t-shirt on. Get your hair out of the way. Yes, fits very nicely. Very cute. And I'm going to see if this little skirt fits her. This skirt's like opens up all the way down. All of these clothes have Velcro, no surprise. Obviously that's a lot less expensive to use Velcro, but you've got to be careful with the hair and the tights and anything else it can stick to. So let us see if it fits her. I think it's going to. Yep, fits her fine. Very cute. All right, so that definitely, if it fits her, then it's going to fit everybody else, really. She's got, like I said, she's got the largest body, but I might try that on a different doll. But let's see what happens. Let's move on to Pineapple Princess. She needs to be changing out of this Halloween dress anyway. Hasn't been Halloween for quite some time, Missy. So I'm curious about these jeans. Let us see. It would be cool if they would fit her. Let's check it out here. So far so good. Now I'm going to leave her panties on. Get the feet out of there. All right. Yeah, so they're kind of long, but that's not a huge deal. Yeah, so they're a little on the big side. This makes me wonder if they might fit the bigger fakey doll's body. So they do fit her. They look cute. Let's see, let me put on maybe this shirt. Again, everybody, we have to be very careful with the Velcro. Get your hair out of the way. Now I do plan to use most of these clothes except for the skirts, but any of this type, like this to me is a really cute outfit that I could use with my boy Blythe doll, so I wouldn't probably typically put this outfit on one of my girl dolls, but so cute. This definitely looks cute. It fits her well. Again, a little long here in the arms, but generally that fits. So let me try an outfit on the Licca doll. She also is still wearing a dress I made for Halloween, so time to get into something else. What shall we put her in? I love this little shirt. I love that fabric. Let's see how this looks on. Sorry. All right, be careful of that hair. Lord have mercy, I don't want to get that hair caught in Velcro. All right. Well, this just has little bits of Velcro, so that's not too bad. Oh, look how cute she looks in that. All right, so we either have shorts or this might not look too bad. I don't know. That's kind of out there a little bit. I'm going to try it on just to see if it fits her body. The Licca bodies are smaller than all of them, so let us see how this manages to fit her. Maybe see if I can tuck her shirt in. Might be able to. All right. So, oh, this is, no, it's going to fit. It's a little on the big side, but that's okay because I can tuck the shirt in. So yeah, these clothes were fitting the Blythe dolls. I wasn't 100% sure if that was going to work or not, but it looks pretty darn promising here. Get these shorts on her. I'll leave the shirt tucked out. Move that up there. Leave her panties on. Again, they look a little big, but not huge. Oops, in there. All right, so too cute. Yeah. All right, I like those. So let's see. So this skirt fit her. I wonder if it's going to fit. I'm going to try it on her because, again, she has the bigger body of all three of them. So let me do a flippy-do here. I'm going to leave the shirt tucked out. Oops. And get your hair out of the way. So yeah, that fits her pretty well. All right, cute. And then of course we have a jacket. I don't know if I'm gonna, let's see. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna probably take her hands off. All right, let me take her hands off here. I'd do something with this hair, Lord. Give me your arm. Alrighty. The other arm. Yes, the jacket fits really nicely. Again, so you can see it's a little bit long for their arms, but nothing major. Yeah, so if you're looking for some inexpensive Blythe doll clothes, then I would say definitely check out the Creatable World dolls. They have where you can just buy what they call style packs. So you can buy just the clothing without the doll. Or you can buy a doll just by itself, or you can buy a doll with a style pack, which is what I've done with the past 2 dolls. I've bought both the doll that came with clothing, and it includes, like, I'm trying to think, I want to say 3 pairs of shoes, usually some kind of hat, an accessory of some kind, like this. They came with a little bag, and each one came with a bag. Glasses, this jacket. The only thing I would say was weird that I was like, I don't know what I do is with these kind of weird pants. But otherwise, all the other pieces I think are very usable, and obviously they fit Blythe dolls very well, as well as these dolls, which I think are super cute too. I'll put some clothes back on this guy. But otherwise, yeah, I think I definitely would recommend if you're looking for a way to get some cute contemporary clothing. Another thing I like about these clothes is that they're a little bit more mature. You know, I know some people like their Blythe dolls to look like they're super young girls, like 2 or 3 years old maybe, or 5 or 6 years old. I prefer my dolls to look more like older teenager to young 20s, and so these type of clothing kind of fits in with that aesthetic, I think, a little bit more. All right, well, as usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks for sticking with me this long, and please subscribe and hit the bell icon, and have, of course, a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye.